When a professional email like you and you at yourdomain.com, here's how to activate custom email on your domain name fast. First, log into your domain provider. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or wherever your domain is registered. Head to your dashboard and find the email in Office section. And if your provider includes email hosting, you'll see an option to create a custom email. Click Add Email or Create Mailbox. Choose your surname. You choose your username and set a password. Assign it to your domain. If email isn't included, you can connect your domain to services like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail. They will guide you to update your DNS records, usually MX, SPF, and DKIM right in your domain settings. It only takes a few minutes to really just propagate. Once you have it set it up, you can access your custom email through web email or connect it to Gmail or Outlook. That's it. Your domain-based email is now live and ready to use. If this really just helped you out, well, like the video, subscribe for more web tips, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on DNS hosting or setting up Gmail with your domain. And really, until then, I'll catch you in the next video.